I'm Katha Vachika and welcome to the realm of Katha. Today's Katha is about the king of Ujjain, Vikramaditya, and the ghost Betal. King Vikram was a very wise and noble man. He was respected by all. Every day he used to hold a court where he would sort the grievances of his kingdom. One day a sage visited the court of King Vikram and presented him with an apple. King Vikram accepted it graciously and passed it to his court helper. This went on for a few days. Then one day, as the king was giving the apple to the keeper to keep it safe, he saw a monkey playing nearby. So he offered the apple to the monkey instead. Monkey began to eat the apple at once. Suddenly, a precious stone fell out of the apple. Curious, king ordered the helper to bring all the apples that the sage presented him and cut them open. To everyone's surprise, each apple contained a precious stone inside it. Next day, when the sage visited the court, King Vikram asked him about the stones. The sage replied, "O my great king, I will surely tell you about the secret of the stones, but for that, you have to visit me in the graveyard today at exact midnight." King Vikram got curious and agreed to meet him at the graveyard. Exactly at midnight, King Vikram reached the graveyard and met the sage there. The sage said to the king, "O great king, before I reveal the secret of stone to you, I have a favor to ask. At the northernmost corner of this graveyard, there is an ancient tree. On the topmost branch of that tree is a corpse hanging. Your task is to get that corpse down and bring it to me. I will perform a ritual which will help in glorify and bring prosperity to your kingdom." King Vikram's curiosity knew no bound and he set off for the task at once. When he reached at the northernmost corner of the ground, he saw an ancient tree. He saw a corpse hanging from the topmost branch of the tree. King Vikram cut down the corpse and heaved him over his shoulder and started his journey back to the sage. The king had taken only a few steps when suddenly he heard a loud and shrill voice behind him. When he turned back, he saw that the corpse had left his shoulder and was hanging on the tree branch. The king tried many times, but this kept happening again and again. By now the king realized that it is a magical corpse, and so he decided to request him to accompany him to the sage. The corpse said, "O great king, I am Betal. I am ready to come along with you, but I have few conditions. First of all, throughout the journey you can't utter a word. If you do, I will return back to the tree and then you have to start over again. Secondly, throughout the journey I am going to tell you a lot of stories, at the end of which I will ask you a question. If you don't answer them, then your head will be blown into pieces." Reluctantly, King Vikram agreed and heaved Betal over his shoulder and started his journey towards the sage. Hence started the legend of Betal Pachisi, where Betal told 25 stories to King Vikram, at the end of which he would ask him a question. Vikram, bound by the vow, had to answer him, and every time Betal would fly back off to the branch of the tree and Vikram had to start all over again. Looking at Vikram's determination, Betal finally decided to complete the journey with him. But he also disclosed the true intention of sage to Vikram. Betal said that the sage wants to perform some rituals by sitting on the corpse of Betal and also wants to kill the king so that he can acquire all the worldly powers to rule the universe. King Vikram became suspicious, but still he decided to go to sage with Betal. But on reaching the banyan tree, Betal's claim came true. The sage attacked King Vikram with the intent to kill him. but the king was prepared. So he outwitted and executed the sage. He then thanked Betal and set his spirit free. So this was today's Katha. We will bring you the stories from famous Betal Pachachi soon. Until then, Namaste.